Did you know affiliate marketing is projected to reach $12 billion, and that's with a B, in 2024? That's a 10% increase from last year. Are you ready to tap into this booming market and start earning? Hey, it's Scott with Spring Hill Fox. Let's dive in. Today we're discussing a crucial topic for anyone looking to make money online in 2024. A solid affiliate marketing roadmap. Whether you're a newbie or a seasoned marketer, having a clear plan is crucial to success. Affiliate marketing is becoming more and more competitive due to changing algorithms, niche saturation, increased competition. Many marketers need help to stand out and make consistent income. But don't worry, I will break these down today and show you how to overcome them. What does affiliate marketing roadmap look like in 2024? Let's break it down step by step. First, we're going to start with the niche. The niche section is crucial. It'll help you if you found a profitable or not oversaturated niche. This involves through research using tools like Google Trends and SEMrush to identify trending topics with good research volume but low competition. Look for niches that you're passionate about, because your enthusiasm will shine through in your content and help you build trust with your audience. Next, content creation. Your content should be valuable and engaging. This means producing high quality blog posts, video podcasts, or social media content that addresses the needs and interests of your target audience. Focus on solving problems, providing tips, and offering insights your audience needing help finding elsewhere. Use a mix of content types, how-to guides, reviews, comparison articles, and personal stories to keep your audience engaged and coming back for more. Then, SEO strategies are a must. All right, with proper SEO, your content will reach the right audience. Start with your keyword research to understand what your audience is searching for. Optimize your content by naturally including these keywords in your titles, your headers, and your content. Remember, on-page SEO elements like meta description, alternate text for images, and internal linking also considered off-page SEO strategies, such as backlinking, building, and guest posting to improve your site's authority and ranking. And finally, building a loyal audience is essential. This means constantly providing value and building trust. Engaging with your audience by responding to comments, emails, messages. Create a community around your brand through social media groups or forums. Offer your subscribers executive content like freebies or discounts to make them feel unique and valued. The key to building relationships and show that you genuinely care about helping your audience succeed. Leveraging social media is more crucial than ever before. Platforms like TikTok and Instagram are great for reaching new audiences with short, engaging content. These platforms to share snippets of your main content, behind the scenes look, and personal stories to connect with the audience on a deeper level. Email marketing is another powerful tool. Building an email list allows you to communicate your audience directly, offer lead magnets like free ebooks, checklists, or mini courses to entice visitors to subscribe. Once they're on your list, nurture them with valuable content, personalized recommendations, and exclusive offers. Remember, automation tools like Hootsuite, Buffer, and HubSpot can save you time by automating your social media posts, email campaigns, and content scheduling. This allows you to stay consistent with your marketing efforts without burning out. In summary, a successful affiliate marketing strategy in 2024 involves choosing the right niche, creating valuable content, mastering SEO, building a loyal audience, staying ahead from and adaptable, and keeping up with the latest trends and technologies are important. If you find this video helpful, remember to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on affiliate marketing. Also, comment below with your thoughts and questions. I love hearing from you, and thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. This is Scott. Peace out.